Hey guys, what is up? Now I'm back with my little brother Krishna.
Hi, my name is Krishna.
If you didn't know, so today I'm here with a box. It's like a 4D fighter model puzzle thingy. I don't know what's inside. All I know is that we'll be building the Russian Navy Shakoy Su-33.
This is the picture. I'm Jonah. Can I help you in it?
Sure, you can help me. As you've noticed, I'm in like a different place. This is my brother's bedroom. Thank you for letting us do this. So, let's do this. So the first thing, we just looked around a bit. And I just opened it. Now you might think this would be like one of those like things you just peel it out and then they can fold and stuff like that. But no. It has parts and some base plating, it's like stuff that's attached to a plastic that you can remove. There's a big one, a small one, and a piece of paper that would come on it, but we can't remove it. Took a look around it. So yeah, I just started by making the front. Yeah, I got the cockpit, but I couldn't find the window thing yet. I found it later on, but yeah. Anyways, I found that and I put it on with the tip. Oh no, there we go. Okay, now that we've got the head secured in, I took a little look around. Yeah, as you can see, I had a bit trouble looking at, I decided to think about it, and then I realized that it could be found later on. So yeah, I just left it alone and decided to take a look around and decided to make the wings. I found some other parts, some rockets, baby. Rockets that would be launched out of planes, some boosters at the back of the plane. Yeah, I didn't attach that. Yeah. Anyways, I decide, and my brother there, he's just fiddling around. Keep telling him to stop, even though I know it's kind of useful. So yeah, I decided to try and just take a look around. Meanwhile, he's just looking and just trying to fit, just looking around stuff. Yeah. It's kind of in shape, like the front part is in shape. So yeah, I am making the wings. Got some, I got the bottom. Put some big wings, even though it's not as you see them in the picture, but whatever. Anyways, now that I've got the wings secure, time to make the back, I think, yeah. And my brother managed to make something useful by making the stand of this 4D modeling puzzle thing. Anyways, I attached another thing and the wings. Yeah, now I just started to make the back. And as you can see, I had trouble with the back wings. Since they kept falling down, they were really loose. I kept on trying and trying. I tried to do this off camera as well.
But it just didn't seem to work, like, at all. Like, it just wouldn't cooperate. Again, my brother is just playing around with what we got. So yeah, got the back with the rockets. And yeah, I was a bit afraid that the back wings won't be able to be, like, get on the plane. And then I realized I could have just, the grooves can't fit. So I managed to get the back wings finally. Finally, I got the back wings on. And yeah, it's kind of in shape. My brother wanted to do it, and So yeah, that's how it works. But as you can see, we're still, I took it off just for now. Yeah, so I decided to put things on this. I flipped it over, and this I did to put in. My brother found the window things. So yeah, good. So I decided to attach some wheels, like how when the plane is about to land, those wheels just kick out. Yeah, I'm planning to do. Yeah, I just put them on. I had a bit trouble, but that's okay. I managed to figure it out. Stand is just at the side, and now comes the fun part. Putting in the rockets. The fun part. As you can see, it fell off. Just kidding, I put in the last two wheels. Now comes the fun part. Rockets. So I got the necessary rockets. So then I found that we need one super large rocket. Yep. One medium-sized rocket. That is a bit difficult since it's a bit smaller. Wait, is it even? Yeah, it kind of didn't want to cooperate, but it kept getting out. So I decided to, I managed to get it on and got two really ridiculously small rockets. Like, I think you need tweezers to just put those small rockets on. Yeah. But I managed to get them on with my bare hands. So, yeah. So, yeah. I managed to, But I realized that I don't need one side. So, let's do this again. One extra large. One medium sized. I was just like, why is there extra rockets? But whatever. Oh, and those two rockets at the front, they're not extra large. They're not there's not one medium size. And also my brother did do something like wrong, so if you spot it, just forgive him, okay? Okay? Good. Anyways, I got the back wings in. And yeah, that is it. I have finally got the build. The build is done. Yeah. So, it's beautiful. It's almost like the real thing. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe.